Most people think that CDL training only happens during the day, but what if your schedule doesn't fit the normal 9 to 5? Here's something you might not know. At Driving Academy, we train all the way till 9 p.m. So now, why does night training actually matter? Well, a lot of people's lives can't just be put on hold when they decide to get a CDL license. There's a lot of schools out there that only offer daytime training and in a group, which means you have to sign up full time or you can't get your CDL license at all. So if that doesn't work in your schedule, because you might be working a day job, you may be taking care of some family members, or maybe you just like learning better at night when things are nice and calm, then coming to Driving Academy might be the best option for you. That's why we keep our doors open up until 9 o'clock at night like we talked about. So no matter your lifestyle, you can still get your training you need without sacrificing your responsibilities. Because not only are we open at night, but we're also open on weekends as well. Now here's something most people actually don't know. Most people think that night classes are going to be the busiest because people are working during the day and they're only coming to train at night. But actually the opposite is true. Evening training tends to be less crowded for whatever reason, which makes more time for instructors to help you hands-on, which also means that you'll get more hands-on behind the wheel as well. So if you come in during the day when things are a little bit busier, you're going to have to share the trucks with more students. If you come at night, you actually get some of the best VIP treatment that we can offer. But keep it a secret and sign up before the classes actually start getting crowded. So if you're looking for an edge to actually get your CDL license and pass the very first time, night hours might be just the thing that you're missing. Because it is less crowded, you might have the chance of getting more one-on-one time with the instructors and sharpening your skills that you require. You're going to be getting all the training that you would have gotten if you came in during the day, which means we're going to be teaching you how to inspect the vehicle properly, how to park the truck multiple different ways. You'll be on our state-of-the-art driving simulator, and of course you'll go on the real road with the real truck with one of our instructors as well. And yes, you'll do it all under the lights, just like the night runs you'll be eventually doing once you get your CDL license and you start getting paid for your first job. It's the same world-class CDL training that you get at the best CDL school here at Driving Academy, just on your schedule. So don't let the busy daytime schedule actually hold you back from getting a CDL license. With Driving Academy, you can train until 9 p.m. And maybe because our nighttime schedules are less crowded, you actually get a lot more hands-on behind the wheel training if you come at night than during the day. Your CDL doesn't wait for the perfect time, you make the time. So book your free school tour today. Let's get you trained, let's get you licensed, and let's get you on the road to freedom, even in the dark. So if you are interested in learning more, check out our website, cdldrivingacademy.com, find a location near you, and find out about their nighttime training. And whether you're working a full-time job or not, we can help you out no matter what time works best for you. Thanks, and I'll see you soon. Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. If you want to get your CDL license, you know where to go. Check out our website, cdldrivingacademy.com, right over there. And if you like this video, you'll definitely like this video right over here. So make sure you check that out. But before anything else, make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you soon.